Namaskar, I am Dr. Naresh Kumar, scientist, India Meteorological Department, New Delhi. We will discuss about what was the weather during past week and what will be the weather for next 2 weeks. If you talk about the past week, there was a very active western disturbance which influenced northwest India and central India. That was the major features, and it has caused heavy snow over Himalayas, rainfall, thunderstorm activity over plains including central India, and second system was a low pressure area, and thereafter one was circulation over South Bay of Bengal, which has caused isolated heavy fall over Tamil Nadu. So this is the weather. As I have mentioned, there was active western disturbance which has caused heavy snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, even Uttarakhand, and nearly heavy snowfall, mean more than even 6 cm rainfall over Himachal also. Another, it has caused heavy rainfall over Haryana also, and another, due to the low pressure area and cyclonic circulations, we have received almost many days isolated heavy falls over specifically Tamil Nadu, and 1 or 2 days over Rayalaseema and Andhra Pradesh. So if you talk about the rainfall activity due to the western disturbance, it has caused widespread rainfall over plains and heavy snow also, as I have mentioned, and rainfall activity over central India. So overall rainfall was very much above normals, specifically over northwest India and central India. Even South India also received above normal rainfall activity. Overall, if you can see from the weekly figures, almost most part of the country received above normal rainfall. And second, it is a post-monsoon season rainfall starting from 1st October to 31st December. Here also northwest India received less rainfall activity because this was the only first active western disturbance which caused weather over the northwest India, and otherwise there was no much activity during the past that is, you can say, October, November or December. So it was below normal, and other parts of the country you can see the rainfall is near normal, or some parts like Tamil Nadu, South Interior Karnataka, and that is Rayalaseema, rainfall was above normal. So again, this is the dense fog, visibility mean less than 200 meters, and even very dense fog, visibility less than 50 meters is observed almost you can say most days of the week. That is the first figures. And due to the dense fog, there was a low clouds layer over the northern part of the country. As a result, cold day conditions also prevailed over many parts of the northwest India during the week. Now this is the today's features. If you see today's, there is a western disturbance which is seen as a circulation over Jammu Kashmir. Another which is we are expecting will be an active western disturbance and cause heavy snowfall over Himalayas, that is presently seen as a circulation over Iran and adjoining area. So this is a summary of the week 1 forecast. Again, we are expecting almost rainfall or snowfall over western Himalaya region throughout the week, and it will increase specifically when whatever the WD which is presently over Iran from 4th and cause fairly widespread rainfall snow over Himalayas, and we may experience a heavy snowfall over 5th and 6th over Jammu Kashmir also. And if you talk about another part of the country, we are not expecting any significant rainfall during week 1. So if you, again I am repeating, the major rainfall pattern or snowfall pattern will be over the northwest India, and some rainfall over northeastern state, and again heavy snow over Jammu Kashmir on 5th and 6th January. So this is our 7 days warning maps. Again, as I have mentioned, due to the dense fog conditions, we can expect there is a low clouds layer over northwest India. So we can expect cold day conditions for majorly today and thereafter, as temperature is expected to rise due to the approaching WD. So it is likely to wait, and there was no significant weather for 3rd and 4th over any part of the country. On 5th and 6th we are expecting, as I have mentioned, heavy snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, and thereafter on 7th and 8th when WD will pass away, there may be the possibility of cold wave or fog conditions specifically over Uttar Pradesh. So this is a week 2 again. Week 2 we are expecting another active western disturbance. It will cause scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity over the Himalayas, and there may be the confluence of westerly and easterly winds. One wind will come from Bay of Bengal, another wind associated with the western disturbance cause light moderate rainfall activity central part of the country, and due to the low pressure area, our cyclonic circulation is also likely to form over South Bay of Bengal, which may cause isolated scattered rainfall activity over most part of the South Peninsular India, and even some part may experience like Tamil Nadu heavy rainfall 1 or 2 days of the week. So this is about rainfall, and this is about the minimum temperatures. So as already I have shown, so majorly we are expecting cold day or dense fog conditions majorly today, and over northeastern state it will continue dense fog conditions almost most days of the week, and cold day only for 1 or 2 days of the week. So this is for week 2. Here we are expecting minimum temperatures will be in the range of 4 to 8 degree over northwest India, northern India we can say, and other than that it can be more than 8 degrees Celsius, and accordingly we are expecting there may be low to moderate probability of the cold wave conditions over Punjab, Haryana, some part of North Rajasthan and Himachal during some days of the week, and similarly we may expect the dense fog condition over northern part of the country during some days of the week. This is the cold wave map. As I have mentioned, we are expecting cold wave conditions majorly for week 2 over northwest India specifically. Again I am repeating, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, North Rajasthan. Thank you very much for listening.